Christmas, you filthy animal.
Alani pulled my mom's pants down. And
Aiden,
she really did.
We're having a shoot contest. Let's see who does it better. You go first. I think I do it better than Aiden. Move, Lonnie.
Sucks.
What did you say? I do it better than him. Y'all ready for this?
Do anything to me when I'm doing it. Nothing's gonna happen. Nothing's gonna happen this time. See, look, I do the best.
No, he doesn't.
This person is a loser. She's horrible.
Move. Look, I can do it.
She's
Ready?
gonna take the L. Then you gotta do it fast. Way better. Horrible. That's not how you do it. This is how you do some.
Hey guys, so it's like, what time is it? It's like past 3 o'clock. I haven't really vlogged all day. I did a little bit this morning. Y'all saw me and my kids, but my hair is due for a wash. It looks disgusting. I straightened it like 3 weeks ago because I wanted to get it trimmed. As you can see, it's split, but I never got it trimmed. So, but it's been a long time. I need to deep condition. I need to wash. So, I'm gonna be showing you guys today a broke down ass wash routine because I don't have the products that I usually use. I don't have like moisturizer, leave-in conditioner and shit. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do a wash and go with little to no products because I don't have much of anything except for gel. But yeah, I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair and show you guys that in a little bit. But yeah, I hope you're having a good day, and I hope that you guys have seen my first vlog, which I put up today. I put up earlier this morning or this afternoon. So if you haven't watched it yet, click in the card section because it's probably up there. My camera's all sides, but it's gonna be up there or up here. I don't know, one of the two. And yeah, I'm just gonna go take a shower and then I'll see y'all when I get out so we can do something with this mess. Okay, so I'm out of the shower. My hair is drenched, as you can see. It reverted, guys. I had put heat on it multiple times after I had initially straightened it. So I was scared that I may have some damage. Like I said, I do need a trim, so there's some little straggly ends at the end of my hair. But whatever. So I don't really have many products. All I have with me is moisturizing twist and lock gel, and yes, I'm still using Cantu. I know there's controversy behind their formula. I don't care right now. I have the deep treatment mask, which is a deep conditioner, which I don't think I'll put in my hair. If I do, I'll just put like a little bit as like a leave-in or whatever. And then I just have some super wet gel, which I don't like, but I don't have any eco gel. My eco gel is not here. And I also have some oil sheen from Cantu. So I'm just gonna use the deep treatment mask just to put a little bit in my hair, just a little bit, just for some extra. Plus my hair, I didn't deep condition it, so I guess this will kind of work. Super wet gel. I'm praying I don't have like flakes and shit, but we'll see. I'll take a good amount of this. Good amount. I like to weigh my hair down with the gel, so you can see like it's weighing my hair down. I'm trying to make sure I get in there to the root almost. Ooh, that's a lot. So it's kind of stiff. I'm gonna add some more water so I can have more slip. So I just rake the product through. Okay, so I have to put on some clothes because that towel can't fall off, but I have just gel in my hair right now. I added some water to weigh it down some more. So that's how it's looking right now. But I want to add some oil, so I'm going to add this organic virgin coconut oil. It's going to give my hair a lot of shine. It's going to make it smell good. And just use the same praying hands. So here's what we're looking like. Got some definition going on in the back for sure. The front of my hair always is kind of iffy, but I'm satisfied. Hopefully it comes out, it dries well. It's gonna take some hours to dry, but I got my girls back. Hey guys, so it's like 9 o'clock, past 9 o'clock. I have my hair in a bonnet and I also have my edges like wrapped with a scarf, and I parted my hair kinda and secured it so that it can kind of stretch. So you guys will see that in tomorrow's vlog, so make sure that you watch it to see like how I have separated my hair or whatever, or how I put my hair under my bonnet when I go to sleep. This is like a trial run because I never do this, to be honest, but my hair is not even completely dry. I did blow dry it a little bit at the roots, but it's still wet. So and I love this huge ass bonnet. But anyways, that's the end of today's vlog. I didn't do too much. Today was like a chill day. So yeah, but I did want to show you guys how I achieved my little wash and go with like a few little products. So yeah, the rest of this week I'm working like every single day, Monday through Friday, like 8:30 to 5 or 8:30 to 5:30. So I'll try to get some vlog footage for you guys. I'll definitely have some, but it won't be like a lot because I'll be at work most of the day. But yeah, I just wanted to come and do a little outro to this video. Make sure that you watch yesterday's vlog, or the vlog that I put up this morning. It'll be up here, yeah, right up here in the card section. So yeah, I will see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. Hope you have a good night, good day, whatever time it is for you when you're watching this, and I'll see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.